Today we are looking at a brand new 2026 Prolite Lounge, and before you think you've seen everything you need to see about Prolite Lounge and you've watched all the videos, this lounge is completely different for two reasons. First of all, this lounge is slightly different because the new lounge, the 2026 floor plans, have a slightly different layout than the previous ones. They've rotated out having a convertible couch to bed to having a full-time bed, which is a great option, which we'll show off once we get inside. But second of all, this is a Lounge Eco, part of their brand new Eco lineup. It's Prolite's answer to getting more people into Prolites. They've heard plenty of feedback about new people into the travel trailer industry that want a more approachable, affordable option to get into a Prolite. And they've also heard a lot of experts that have been in Prolites for a long time. They know what they want, what they need, what they don't need. So they've stripped back a couple of features that customers have noticed they don't really need that much. They'd rather save the money and have a Prolite at a little bit better of a price range. Talking about the outside features, obviously you can see it's a Prolite. Prolite is known for making lightweight travel trailers designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. And this particular model, the Lounge Eco, comes in at under 1,395 pounds of dry weight. You can still have 3 adults in it, so this is an ideal travel trailer for an SUV or a van. You've got a single-pound propane tank on the front, manual stabilizers, manual tongue jacks. We've also opted to have a spare tire added to this unit. Not all of the new trailers come with spare tires. We like being prepared to have a spare, so we put a spare tire on there. You're also going to get your power cord. You're going to have a flat repair kit if you need it, and also a moon portable awning. A moon awning here is perfect for just mounting there on the outside. Nice, quick, and easy setup. Walking around the trailer, you'll notice one of the things they've stripped back is the windows. Windows do add quite a bit of price to a trailer, so stripping back a couple of those is a good way to strip back things that not everyone needs. You still get windows on this side and the other side, but it's one way they can strip it back here and give people what they want. You've still got this nice higher ride height, which was a change they made in 2025 to avoid bottoming out. You'll notice this low storage compartment there. That's going to be for a cassette style toilet, which we'll touch base on once we get inside. Walking around the rear, you'll still see these brand new 2026 Eco decals, and you've got your auxiliary shower. Last but not least, as I've mentioned, you still get some windows here on these brand new Ecos, but it's just one thing that they found is an easy option to remove and save a little bit of money. And it's not a necessity to have all these little extra premium upgrades you'll get in their other lineup. Stepping inside here, you're going to notice that right off the get-go, if you have seen our other lounge videos before, this used to be a convertible spot here. So you'd have it as a little couch area that would fold out into a bed. They noticed a lot of the customers saying they just leave it down as a bed all the time. So why not give the people what they want? It's set up as a bed now 24/7. That's perfect for 2 people, but if you still want to get a third person into this trailer, kid, grandkid, extra guest, you're going to have this nice dinette area. Perfect to sit down, play some card games, have some meals, morning coffee, but will convert to a sleeping spot as well. That table's going to drop down. These cushions will come over. That's going to be your bed now 24/7. A couple of other small features which weren't notable, or are notable for premium features but not needed for every trailer, is cabinet doors. Cabinet doors is one thing they removed to make it a little bit more cost effective, but you still get the exact same functionality you would with a regular premium lounge, but you just have this cargo netting instead of the cabinet doors. Flipping over to this side, same story. You've got your cargo netting all across here, but still the exact same amount of storage you get in a premium model. You've got storage here below. Oh, sorry. Camera's freaking out there. You've got your storage here below. Access to plumbing and access to more storage. You've got a plastic tub here, which is what they had in some of the older models of the Prolites. The new premium models come with stainless steel, but you're going to have a plastic tub here now as well. You get a 2-burner stovetop, and you get this full electric fridge freezer combo. All of this for a small trailer. You've got a kitchen, you've got a spot to sleep, you've got a spot to eat, a spot to store things, and you still get a washroom built into this trailer too. It's hard to believe you can tow it with just an SUV or a van. You've got this nice waterproof wallpaper, you've got your shower head there, and the cassette style toilet. It's not a plumbed toilet, so you don't need to take it to a dumping station. It just fills up in a little compartment which you can remove from the outside and get rid of that anywhere you'd regularly dispose of waste, whether that be a porta potty, a roadside truck stop, anything like that. It gives you the flexibility of getting rid of waste wherever you need to, rather than having to plan your stops around a dumping station. These brand new Ecos still have lots and lots to give you, and Prolite is still known for that premium quality, even though you're going to have a more affordable option. They did not cheap out on anything else. They just took back features that not everyone needed. If you want to see everything else this trailer has to offer in person, or you want to see any other of our Prolites that we stock here, come on down and check them all out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.